Podcast. I'm Becca, your host, and this is a podcast all about knitting, crochet, needle felting, some hand dyeing, and just general fiber arts stuff. I'm so glad that you're here to join us, and please feel free to comment on any of our videos below. You can follow me on Instagram at _knitting_unicorn. On Ravelry, we have a group called the Knitting Unicorn Podcast, which you can find by searching in the Groups tab. And my name on Ravelry is Babesicle, which will be listed below so you can find it easily. We will be doing some CALs and lots of giveaways and introductions to other podcasts that I love to watch because it's such a great community. So don't forget to subscribe so you can get all the updates to this podcast, and we hope to see you online. Thanks for joining.